How's it going, everybody? My name is Brandon Drake, and this is Maria Medina. We can't wait to do a workshop called Chaos to Clarity, Streamlining Business Growth. As a CRM consultant, I'm going to talk about not only the strategies, but the tactics to implement consistent growth and efficiency. And I'm going to introduce you to Maria Medina.
Hi, everybody. Maria Medina here with the Coaching Network, business and networking coach. And I'm here to show you how your systems can help you achieve the goals in your business, whatever goals that may be, whether you're looking to grow, sustain, or eventually sell your business. It is up to the systems that you have in place. So we're trying to create a little bit of clarity from that chaos, that big to-do list, those notes all over your desk, anything that you feel overwhelmed with. Maybe you're running from meeting to meeting. We're really excited to bring in some systems to help you streamline, maybe automate, outsource, or bring in resources to help you in your business. So don't miss it on December 10th from 9 to 10 a.m. virtual. There's also going to be a recording. So if you can't make it live, make sure you still sign up so you get that recording. Really looking forward to hosting this workshop with you, Brandon.
Same here. Can't wait.